Innocent Gaming here. Today I'll be playing Troll Bomb Obby, and today we'll be trying to Eagle Bomb again.
Come here! Come here!
Oops, sorry. Let's go. Oh my god, bro, actually stop. Juked! Oh, juked! Juked! Never thought. Oh my god, dude, he clutched up. That was a lucky clutch. Kind of flowers. I will
diminishes as you get older. Absolutely, as you know, the responsibilities of life take over. I just, until the breath runs out of my body, I will always be excited about sitting on the train, heading off somewhere with my mates, and at 9:30 in the morning.
No, why would you do that?
That is never not exciting. Yeah, the thrill of it, the lack of responsibility of it for just.
Bro, really, what the freak?
The world seems to go into my loneliness once you go and get it, and I love it. I love it. Would you like to go on the
Bro, really?
I'm telling you that. Guys, as you get older, the amount of time you get to spend with your this is a real genuine male issue. The amount of time you get to spend with your guy mates diminishes as you get older.
They don't know this one.
Responsibilities of life take over. I just until the breath.
They don't know this one. They didn't know this one. They didn't know this one. Lol. Haha, lol. They don't know that one. Don't tell me it's me with the bam. I don't want the bam. No, oh my god. They don't know this one. No, no way, no way, no way, dude. No way, no way, yo, that's insane. That's an insane wall hop. Dude, that's insane. Oh my god. Dude, that was an insane wall hop. I was so nervous there. Insane. That was an insane clutch. Wall hop clutch. Wall hop clutch. Wall hop clutch. Wall hop clutch. I'm gonna Eagle Bomb. I know I'm getting close to Eagle Bombing people. I'm getting close to Eagle Bombing. I'm getting close to Eagle Bombing people. Eagle Bombing people will be so fun. I'm an eagle. You're not an eagle. You're the goat man. I'm an eagle. Yo, this is it. I'm almost at the Eagle Bombing area. I'm at the Eagle Bombing. I'm a Eagle Bomb, dude. This is going to be so fun. If I see a troller, dude, that person right there was probably going to troll me. And then I just wall hopped. Oh no, I really want an Eagle Bomb. Bro, please give me the bomb so I can Eagle Bomb that troller. I'm an eagle. Why if I grow my hair? It doesn't hurt. Why? Why did it hurt? No ball. Mint noodles. He's probably gonna choke. Never mind. An eagle bomb. I'm an eagle bomb. I'm an eagle bomb. I was like, what boss is he talking? What boss is always talking about? Alright, stop clapping my cheeks. Just give me the bomb already. I really want an eagle bomb. I didn't even wait this. I had to wait this long to eagle bomb someone. I might as well not continue the obby because I really don't want to continue the obby. I'm nervous. I really want an eagle bomb, but I'm too nervous because look how high I am. Check the event page. Oh, heck no. Someone please give me the bomb. Oh, you're so close to giving me the bomb. Not even close, buddy. Oh. Yeah, I totally farted. Totally didn't fart. I totally did it. lingango, lingango. Lingango, liga, liga, lirata, mungango, lingango. Lingango, liga, liga, lirata, mungango, lingango. Lingango, liga, lingango, liga, liga, lirata. Wait. Lingango, liga, liga, lirata, mungango. Lingango, lingango, liga, liga, lirata, mungango, lingango. Enemy spotted. Enemy spotted. Natural fell. Lingango, liga, liga, lirata, mungango, lingango. Lingango, liga, lirata, mungango, lingango. Wait. Lingango, liga, liga, lirata, mungango, lingango. Lingango, liga, liga, lirata, mungango, lingango. Everyone, look at this wall hop. I'm professional at wall hop. That will lag. The lag. Oh my god. Dude, really, I really want the bomb. So I can wall hop. Wall hop. Misclick. Oh my god, dude, that was an insane one. That's an insane wall hop. Oh my god, dude.
Bye, my baby. Have fun at work.
Give me the bomb, you stupid game. Give me the bomb. Stop touching my back with your feet, Daddy.
I'm gonna put up my hand.
Oh, that's my hand.
My stuff, dog.
Oh. I thought you were like. Daddy, I'm gonna become an eagle. You're
gonna become a famous YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
You're gonna have 300 subscribers by tomorrow. That's my guess.
Yes. Me and I'll hit 300 subscribers in 2 days.
You say 2 days or 6 months?
Yeah. Probably 280 tomorrow, right?
I say you can get 300 by tomorrow.
Oh, just give me the freaking bomb! I just want to bomb people. I just want to drop a bomb like I'm an eagle. Oh my god! Ugh. Guys, I'm totally not gonna smell. My mom's toes. I actually didn't smell my mom's toes. Boom. Boom. Bubble. So it's bubble, bro. Bubble, bro. Bubble, bro. Bubble, bro. Bubble, bro. Bubble. Okay. Bubble, bro. Guys, can you get me to 300 subs by tomorrow? Boom. No! Boom. You just give me the freaking bomb. Just give me the freaking bomb. No! Just give me the bomb. And guys, I go school as Daisy09 because I have long arm sticks. And it was pretty hard because when I tried as PBBB, I had to go in city to try. Cause city. Oh my god! So my god! No! I was so close to Eagle Ball. Well, you don't know this one. You don't know this one. You don't know this one. You don't know me, son. Oh my god. You don't know me. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh my god. I could have died. Because remember that wall hop? That was an insane one. Please don't give me the bomb. Please don't give me the bomb. Please don't give me the bomb. No! I'm gonna wait for someone to. Oh my god. I have to go. Oh, shit. I want to do this. The freaking bomb. Hit the bomb, girl. Oh my god, dude. That's an OP one. OP internet glitch. W internet. W internet. Comment W internet glitch in the comments. I might become the most famous 7-year-old on YouTube. Oh my god, it's stupid. I gotta get up there fast. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going back. No. Get Eagle Bomb. Get Eagle Bomb! Okay, you don't know this one. You don't know me, son. You don't know me, girl. Okay, this will just make me teleport up, right? Will it make me teleport up? Oh my god! No! Oh. Oh my god. Not these dumb little trollers again. Not these dumb